Welcome to Veteran Tech, where raw power meets precision. From unstoppable machines to jaw-dropping feats of engineering, this is your front row seat to the most brutal beauty in forestry. Let's dive in. With a clean, precise cut, the arborist guided this massive, century-old tree to the ground. The chainsaw roared through the air, and when gravity took over, it ended in a thunderous crash. That moment marked the result of careful planning and expert hands at work. Here's a big miss: no timber call. A critical part of logging safety was completely skipped. It may seem small, but it's a rule for a reason. Looks like the forecast was spot on. That house is finally getting the care it's been waiting for. Maybe not gently, but definitely needed. He's pushed his luck twice and somehow walked away both times. Watching this, you can't help but wonder, will today be his lucky break, or the one that catches up with him? This right here proves the saying, no matter what, the cameraman always survives, even when chaos breaks loose. Chainsaws are everywhere now, but imagine logging before machines. Back then it was just axes, hooks, and raw muscle. Every tree was a battle, and every cut was earned the hard way. Weakening the stump like this should make it easier to clear out. One step closer to getting that ground clean. Here it goes, splitting right down the middle. Trees have a way of keeping you guessing until the very last second. Here it is again, the Caterpillar 309 CR in action. Saw and grapple working together for smooth, efficient trimming and clearing. Simple, powerful, and built to save time. Even for experienced loggers, bucking a log isn't easy. Every piece of wood hides stress and tension you can't always see. You need a sharp eye to read the grain, the lean, the pressure. But sometimes, it just comes down to luck. That was way too close. Someone really needs to step in before something worse happens. Honestly, pulling his license might be the only responsible move at this point. This guy's the real deal. He didn't even touch the tree, just kind of whispered at it, and it calmed right down, like some kind of nature whisperer. Amazing to watch. It's called a barber chair because, well, you're supposed to sit on the stump. But trust me, there's nothing relaxing about it when a tree splits like that. Well, there's a reason they say it. The cameraman never dies. No matter what's flying through the air, he just keeps rolling. That tree is no joke. OSHA requires full protective gear, safety glasses, hard hat, and chainsaw chaps. They're not optional. They're what keep you walking away. This old New Zealand stump didn't stand a chance. The 800 Stumpy grinder, packing up to 380 horsepower, made quick work of it. With adjustable depth and width, plus tough manganese steel blades, it's built to handle stumps of all sizes at a steady pace. The Woodmiser WMI-1000 is a beast. Built for massive logs like red oak, it can cut 67 inches wide and 39 inches deep. With hydraulic controls and precision tech, it's made for heavy-duty sawmilling at its finest. Pezzolato's TM1200 and TB9900 push firewood processing to the next level. The TM1200 handles logs up to 47 inches with ease, while the TB9900 delivers 40 tons of splitting force and ultra-precise output sizing. Big volume, big power, maximum control. By cutting through the roots without disturbing the soil, this method keeps everything intact. It helps reduce erosion, protects fertility, and beats manual removal by a mile, both in speed and efficiency. Check out the Caterpillar 309 CR. It's got both a saw and a grapple, making it perfect for cutting and cleanup all in one. That's smart engineering. Just imagine how much faster your day would go with this on site. Wow, this log cutting stand is something else. The way it simplifies the entire process is just brilliant. Easy setup, smooth operation, sometimes simple really is genius. The CAT 345BL makes tree removal look easy. With a 345 horsepower engine and strong hydraulics, it handles big trees fast. Long reach and precise control mean higher productivity and fewer risks, a smart pick for any serious project. Check out this log splitter. Lifting that heavy oak is impressive enough, but the speed? That's the next level. It's like blink and it's done. Pure power and precision. Let's take a look at the Pelletot PTH 1400 1000M. With a Caterpillar C27 engine pushing out 150 horsepower, it can process up to 300 cubic meters of wood per hour. Big drum, wide infeed, easy maintenance. This machine is built for the long haul. Meet the Savannah 1720 stump puller. This thing is a beast. It rips out stumps like they're nothing. Pair it with a Sana rotary rake and you're clearing 20 to 40 acres a day with ease. That's what modern land clearing looks like. Land clearing gets tough when you hit big stumps. But with a custom splitter from Sunrise Excavating, it's no problem. This attachment packs serious power and turns stubborn stumps into mulch fast. Total game changer for land management pros. Now, that's how a pro handles a sketchy situation. Cool head, steady moves, no panic. Just experience at work. Let's talk about safety. Rule number 1, never stand in the fall zone of a tree. Sounds simple, but it's the one thing too many people ignore. Thanks for watching Veteran Tech, where machines don't just work, they dominate. If you enjoyed the ride, like, subscribe, and join us for more raw power in motion. Until next time, stay sharp and stay unstoppable.